Look at the exercise 6.2. Find the value of unknown exterior angle x in the following diagram. First question, first part, the diagram is given. It is 50 degree, it is 70 degree, it is what? X here. You have to find the value of unknown exterior angle x in the following diagram. Now we know that exterior angle is equal to what? Sum of opposite angle to the interior. Which one is exterior? It is exterior. So exterior angle is equal to, which one is interior? This is an interior. What are the two opposite angles to the interior? What are they? 50 and 70. Therefore exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite angles to the interior. So 50 plus 70 is how much? 120 degree. 50 plus 70 is what? 120 degree. If you know this angle, then you can find this angle. How much? We will take it as 5, suppose. Am I right? Here, exterior angle sum property. Exterior angle sum property. Now we can find the value of y. How? By using linear pair. X plus y is equal to 180. So x is what? 120 plus y equal to how much? 180. So y equal to 180 minus 120, which is equal to how much? 60. Which is equal to 60. Are you getting here? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? Yes. What is the next question for you? The diagram is, in a triangle, this side is produced, this angle is given 65 degree and this is 45 degree. It is x. Exterior angle is how much? X. First question, second part. First question, second part. So we know that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior angle. Okay, here which one is the exterior angle? X is an exterior angle, that is equal to sum of opposite angles to the interior. What are they? 65 and 45. Please remember, it is exterior, it is interior. These are the two angles which is opposite to the interior angle. So x is equal to 65 plus 45, that is equal to 110 degree. If it is 110 degree, then it will be 70 degree by using linear pair. Since exterior angle sum property. Exterior angle sum property of a triangle. Are you getting here? Shall we move to the next part? Yes. Third question is, this is a triangle. This side is produced. The exterior angle so formed is x. It is 30 degree. Then it is 40 degree. It is what? 40 degree. So please recall, an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. Here which one is the exterior angle? X is equal to, it is an interior. Two opposite angles to the interior are 30 degree and 40 degree. 30 degree plus 40 degree. Am I right here? Then 30 plus 40 is what? 70 degree. Since exterior angle sum property of a triangle. Am I right? If it is 70, then it will be 110 degree. It will be 110 degree. Are you getting here? Yes. Shall we move to the fourth part now? What is the fourth part? Diagram is given. 60 degree, 60 degree. Fourth part. It is an equilateral triangle. Sixty degree, 60 degree. It is x. It is x. Now, what is exterior angle sum property? An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. So it is an exterior angle, that is x, which is equal to sum of two opposite angles to the interior. What are they? 60 plus 60. 60 plus 60 is how much? 120 degree. Since exterior angle sum property of a triangle. Are you getting there? Yes. The fifth part. Fifth part is it is x. It's 50 degree. It is 50 degree. Find the value of unknown. So in a triangle, if any side is produced, exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of opposite angles to its interior. So it is exterior angle. It is an interior angle. Two opposite angles to the interior are 50 degree and 50 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 50 degree plus 50 degree, which is equal to 100 degree by using exterior angle sum property of a triangle. Exterior angle sum property of a triangle. Am I right? Yes. The sixth part. Sixth part is it is x. It's 30 degree. It is 60 degree. So it's a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle. Now the exterior angle is x. It is interior angle. What are the two opposite angles to the interior? 30 degree and 60 degree. 30 degree and 60 degree. So 30 plus 60 is what? 90 degree. Since exterior angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, wherever you are using angle sum property of triangle and exterior angle sum property of a triangle, you have to write down the reason. If suppose if you are using the linear pair, you have to write down the linear pair. Am I right here? Yes. So this is the sixth part. This is the sixth part of the question. Okay. So we move to the next question. Second question. Yes. Second question we are having how many 6 subdivisions you are having. Okay, we will see in the next video. Thank you.